Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can check Rakuten credit card application status. So the first step that you have to do is to launch the Rakuten card mobile application, or you can also visit the card.rakuten.co.jp on your browser. And then just make sure that you have your application reference number ready. And next to that is to look for the application status, or this, in the main menu. So alternatively, you can check your email for the application confirmation link sent when you applied. Next up is to input your application reference number, date of birth, and registered phone number or email, and then just click check status, or this one, to proceed. Next is your status will show as under review, or approved for, or additional information required. So you can check estimated car delivery date if approved. Lastly is if additional documents are needed, you have to upload them through the application. So for approved applications, your card will arrive by mail in 1 to 2 weeks. So you will just have to activate it upon receipt. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!